Hi, Mia. Okay, let's start with, it had f of x was equal to the cubed root of x, I believe, and then it said g of x was f of 1/2 x. So basically what it's wanting you to do is every time you see x in f, it wants you to write the 1/2 times the x, or it wants you to take the x and multiply it by a half, okay, which is essentially doing a horizontal stretch by 2, but I don't think you have to write that. So your g of x is just the cubed root. Instead of writing x, we're going to write 1/2 x, okay? And if you're doing it in Big Ideas Math, you might have to put parentheses around this depending upon how that shows up on your screen. Okay, another one, and the way your sister did it was not incorrect. However, we haven't learned change of base yet, so she's actually taking it one step further than what you need to do. So if we have y equals 5 to the x minus 9, and I think this was number 5. So we were told to find the inverse, so I'm just going to switch x and y. There, let's focus. Okay. X equals 5 to the y minus 9. So we want to isolate, or we want to get this by itself. So we're going to add 9 over. Y is an exponent. We don't like it as an exponent, so we're going to put it into log form. You can use the natural log, but I would just suggest using basic log because we're going to have a base of 5 this time. So we've got log base 5 of x plus 9. And since there's more than one thing, we'll just put it in parentheses, equals our y. So now we have y by itself, and that's all you need to do. Now, once we learn change of base, we know that we can take the log of x plus 9 divided by the log of 5, and it's the same thing, but since we haven't gotten that far, just let it go. We could have also written, like your sister did, natural log of x plus 9 divided by natural log of 5. So that's as far as you need to take it. Okay, so then on number 6, so we had, let's see, y equals 13 plus the log of x. So it's not a base, it's just x. Okay, so finding the inverse, switch x and y. So we've got x equals 13 plus the log of y. We want to get this log by itself, so we're going to subtract 13. Now, I can't just like miraculously undo the log and the y. So we don't like it in log form. Let's put it in exponential form. So our base right now on this log is 10. So we have 10 to the x minus 13 equals our y. And now we have y by itself, and so we are done.